Hi, Lee Phillips and Ben Rucker here. Yeah, I'm still an attorney, and Ben is a former IRS dude. He was a special auditor for the IRS, taught the auditors how to audit and all of that stuff. Ben and I are both real estate owners. We have the long-term rentals, we have short-term rentals, we do lots of different things. And what we are discovering is people who are doing short-term rentals, that's the Airbnb, all of those sorts of things, they don't understand taxes. And their accountants don't even understand the taxes in many cases. Because short-term rentals are different than long-term rentals as far as the IRS is concerned. In fact, the short-term rentals actually have some better tax advantages than long-term rentals. Ben and I are going to hold a free hour-long tutorial on short-term rental taxation on October 20th at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and would love to have you come. This isn't an informational video like I usually do. This is just an invitation.
They need to come, Lee, because you said there's tax advantages for short-term rentals, but there's also tax traps for short-term rentals.
That's true.
And we want to make sure you don't fall into that trap and get caught.
I'm sure we'll talk for 2 seconds about how to lower your possibility of an audit also. And the sheer fact of the matter is, the IRS is going from a $12 billion a year budget in 2021 to a $100 billion a year budget in 2022.
And guys, Lee mentioned I used to work at the IRS. I actually trained the new hires on real estate taxation. I'm a licensed real estate broker and a real estate agent myself, so I understand the IRS side, but I also understand the side of the fence that you're on.
Because we're on that side of the fence too, guys. So, attend the free short-term rental tax tutorial on October 10th, 20th, and at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and join us. We'll look for you there. Just click the link below.
Lee, are you going to offer a money-back guarantee?
I'll offer a money-back guarantee.
All right.